In this video, you'll see the recipe of this yummy delicious Oreo ball stuffed with Oreo cream and coated in white chocolate, which is my second Christmas recipe. Enjoy! So guys, starting the recipe, I have taken 10 Oreo cookies. I am here using these white or vanilla flavored Oreo cookies. You can use chocolate or brown as well, whichever is available. And now we need to remove the cream from these, the center filled cream na, and we'll use it later on in a very cool process. So just remove this with a knife. So let's adjust. I'm showing you how to remove these and put it in another bowl and save it for later on processes. So guys, as mine has got stuck a little bit in the cookie, we'll carefully remove it out. It is not compulsory to remove it fully, but as much as possible remove it using a knife or a spoon, or easily with your hands also you can remove it. So guys, now we have separated the cream and we'll keep it aside for later use. And now we'll break these Oreo cookies into nice small pieces. You guys need to break it as small as possible so that they can grind easily and become to a powder. Just break it with your hands itself. Now I have break these pieces into nice small ones. Here I have the mixer jar. In this we'll transfer all these pieces. Cover it with the lid and now grind it to a nice powder. Now as you can see, I've grinded them into nice coarse type powder. You need it like this only. Now transferred it to a bowl, and now you can see like how is it. You need it like this for these Oreo balls. Now we'll add a few ingredients to it. Starting with some chocolate syrup. Here I am using Hershey's brand. You can use any one, and you can also skip this and use some chocolate ganache, which is basically chocolate and cream or chocolate and milk. You can use that also. Just will add 1 spoon to it. Then next, here I have some milk. This is boiled and then cold milk, and no need to add sugar to it. And now continue to knead with your hands, and it should be kind of dough type. You can add more milk also if it doesn't become a dough. You will not need more than 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. So now my dough is ready, and this is how the dough is made. If you get more watery or kind soft very much, then you can fix it with some milk powder or more Oreo biscuits crushed. And now we'll freeze it in the fridge so that it gets much more set. You need to make it perfect and nice and soft, which can easily bind and can be rolled and mixed and shaped into those balls. So now let's freeze it. And so guys, till our dough sets, let's discuss about the chocolates. Here I've taken Morde companies, and I'm using dark and white compound. Use compound chocolates only, and the white one will use for coating and the dark one for decorating. Now just chop it into small pieces and melt it using double boiling or microwave method. I am using it microwave it for 1 minute. And here I've taken the chocolates in two separate bowls. And first one is dark chocolate. This is nearer to 30 grams of dark chocolate chopped into small pieces. This can be easily now melted. And also I've taken 80 grams of white chocolate compound chopped into small pieces. Now melt it in the microwave for 1 minute. And guys, back to our dough. Now as you can see, it has become nice and perfect to be shaped into the balls or to be used. Back to our cream, guys. We do not need to do anything to it. Just mix it a little bit so that all the different cream parts combine together, and this we're going to stuff in our Oreo balls. And so when we cut them from the center, we get that nice white color as in the Oreo biscuits. So now I have the dough, the cream, and one plate. Please do not line it with butter paper. I lined it with butter paper, but that was not a success. Now take very small portion from the Oreo ball mixture, roll it, then flatten it. Now fill it with some cream. In the center put the cream, and now seal it from all the sides, and again roll it and shape it into nice round balls and place them on the plate. Showing you one more how to do it. You need a very small portion of it. Roll flat. This will not stick in your hands, and if it sticks, apply ghee on your hands. Now fill with cream. Just you need to make sure to seal it properly and roll it and nicely shape them. We will shape them second time also. Now I'll make the remaining balls out of it. And so guys, now as you can see, my balls are made. I have stuffed all of them with the cream, and now we'll freeze it in the fridge for more 10 minutes so that they hold their shape firmly and become a little bit matte. As you can see, they are a little glossy now, so we need to make them matte. And freezing these balls is really very important, guys. At several stages you need to freeze them, like we freeze the dough, we freeze in these balls. Now after coating them also we'll freeze. So we'll meet you again after 10 minutes. So now here I've taken the dark chocolate and the white chocolate. Now take one ball, roll it in your hands again, dip them in the white chocolate or any chocolate you want to use, coat them, and now take it out on a butter paper plate. Please put it on a butter paper and just cover it fully with the chocolate. And now take your dark chocolate and just decorate it with it. It is literally a very hard process, guys. And so now as you can see, I've made 2, and now again you can see I've made more. You can also drizzle this chocolate. And now as you can see, my chocolate has become so this dark and thick, so I'll need to melt it again. Do this process very quickly or else you need to melt your chocolate again and again. If the chocolate will be silky and smooth, it will be more easier for you to coat and decorate. So now these balls are ready to be freezed. As you can see, some of them are already done, but let's freeze it for some moments. So guys, now my balls are freezed very properly, and now I will freeze them and then demold them now. you'll see the white chocolate to not hold its shape perfectly. You can remove this and letting it be. And I've cut one from the center, and you'll see like this from center it will be white, which looks really very cute and beautiful. So guys, hope you like this recipe. I hope yes. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Click the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video, and enjoy this recipe. Bye.